Doing the poem, which is I think second poem of the our Hornbill book, the Laburnum Top, written by Tude Ted Hughes. In this poem, the poet tells us about a laburnum tree, which is a very short-heighted tree. It has hanging branches, yellow flowers, poisonous seeds, and it is quite still and silent in the starting of the poem. And it's the time period of autumn season in the September, where it's the time of afternoon, yellow afternoon, where sunlight everywhere. And due to autumn season, the leaves of the trees has fallen, and it has some yellow leaves on some few leaves left on this tree. After that, it's all seeds are fallen due to autumn season. And it is deadly like tree now in the September, because it is still alone. Nothing, no matlab even nothing is there. But after that, a goldfinch is a small singing bird, which has yellow feathers on its wings. It comes and it causes with a chirp, pitching chirp, which causes movements in every, which can cause movement in anything. And then at the branch end of a branch, there is suddenness, a startlement, a wondering happens. And the goldfinch bird is smooth as a lizard and alert and abrupt, because in the tree there is her young ones and her nest. So it is obvious that she will say stay alert and abrupt, like she will take every every movement so fast. And after that, she entered the thickness where leaves and stems are there. And when she entered that thickness, the machine starts up. Machine matlab the trees starts up, and because when she entered her nest, her kids are quite exciting, and because they know that she has bring some food for them. And it's like they have put life in all of them. And after that, machine start off of chittering, tremor of wings, sounds, shaking of wings and trilling. It's like producing a two type of sign, like birds mm, just chirp, this is trilling. After that, the whole tree trembles and thrills due to their family, her young ones, the chirping. And the tree is like engine of her family. And goldfinch bird comes and like put fuel in it and stokes it full. And after that, then it flits out to a branch end, goes to a branch end after feeding her young ones and showing her buried face, which has which has strips on her face. Which has strips on its face. And it's a scene like it. She is wearing a mask, and the mask is now her. It's made the identity. It's changed into the identity of her buried face. And okay, now she is showing it to her young ones. And then, with a strange and frightening sensitive gentle chirp, in a very slow and light voice, she fly away towards the sky, towards the infinite. And when she goes from there, then the tree again subside to empty. And here are five uh, poetic devices used in the poem. The first one is alliteration, which is used in September sunlight. After that, a tree trembles, a sudden startlement. Okay. And the second one is simile. Simile is used here. Then sleek as lizard, because simile there is direct comparison of two things. Okay. Okay, now third one is metaphor. Metaphor is used here. Machine metaphor is indirect comparison of two things. Like tree is comparing to a machine. Tree is compared to an engine. After that, his face is compared to a mask. And after that, personification is used here. The whole tree trembles and thrills. Whole tree trembles and thrills, because tree can't move and trembles. but here personification is used. And after that, one more, transferred epithet, which is a poetic devices which is used to indicate a changing of one thing into another, like her barred face has changed into a mask identity. Okay, so there transferred epithet is used.